Hello, everyone. Thank you, Father, for another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, y'all. Okay, my name is Joyce McTeer, for those of you who don't know me, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today to show y'all 5 bracelet sets that are available. They are in my shop, and you can purchase them, okay? They are for sale. This is going to be on a first come, first serve basis, and I'm going to explain to you. Let me set this right here while I'm talking so that y'all can see all of this goodness here. But when you go to my Etsy shop and you see that someone has put it may be in somebody's cart. Just because it's in a person's cart doesn't necessarily mean that you cannot purchase it. It's on a first come, first serve basis. So even if that person have it in their cart, doesn't mean that they have the rights to it. Okay? If it's in the cart and you want to buy it, once you purchase it, it is yours. It doesn't matter if it's in their cart or not. It's on a first come, first serve basis. So whoever gets there, and even if it's in their cart, you can still purchase it. Okay, and I just wanted to say that because I did have someone one time ask me, it was in somebody's cart, and I'm like, just because it's in that person's cart doesn't necessarily mean that you can't purchase it. If it's in their cart and they didn't buy it, then it doesn't belong to them. I'm gonna say that. Just because it's in the cart doesn't mean you cannot buy it. You can still buy it even if it's in somebody's cart. Okay? So the very first set I'm going to show you. Now I'm going to be selling these in sets of 2. So you get 2 bracelets, and I'm going to show you what they look like up close so that you will know what you are getting. Now this is one of the word ones, and on here it has divine, and on the other side it has princess. So you can wear this way, or you can flip it and wear it this way where it says divine. These are stretch bracelets, okay? Stretch bracelets. And they come, like I said, in a set of 2. So you get 2 bracelets. If you want to know the price, you have to go to my Etsy shop and check it out. I do not speak prices. So if you're interested, go to my Etsy shop. The link is in my bio, LaJoytra Creations on Etsy. And there you will see the price of these items, okay? Everything here, all these sets are the same price. None of them are different. Okay, all of them. And what I mean by that is just one set price. So it's not going to be one for 24 and one set for 24 and then one for 34. And it just depends on what I'm making and creating. But these sets here will only be one price. And these right here these sets, I'm going to say they are unique, but they are one of a kind. I do not have any more beads to recreate this set. If you see it, if you see it and you want it, buy it, okay? I do not have any more beads to recreate this set. All right, I'm just throwing that out there to let you know, because I don't want somebody to ask me, well, can I get one? I saw you had one. No, if you want it, go and purchase it, okay? So like I said, you get 2. They are stretch, and they are all original designs, all right? So that's the second one. This is the third one. Okay, this is what this looks like. Okay, and this is going to be the second one to go along with this one. And these bracelets, y'all can wear these with anything. You can wear them with any outfit of your choice. Anything, dressed up, dressed down, nice dress, a nice outfit, a nice pair of denim jeans with a white top, whatever you choose. All right. That's the third one. This is set number 4. This one has that beautiful heart. Okay, and I'm doing this up close so that y'all can actually see. And this bead right here is absolutely beautiful. It's like a royal blue. But I just want y'all to see up close what you will be getting. Okay, so this is a set, and this was number 4. If you're interested, like I said, it's on a first come, first serve basis. And this is the very last set right here. Once again, like I said, if you get to my shop and you do not see it, then that means that someone has purchased it. If you get to my shop and it is in someone's cart, then you can still buy it. It doesn't necessarily mean because it's in somebody's cart, you won't be able to purchase it. This is what this one looks like. This is the first one. And this is the second one. Okay. So like I said, if you're interested, go and check these out. They are available. They are available. First come, first serve. If you get to the shop, like I said, and somebody has it in the cart, you can still purchase it. It does not matter. Okay? I am going to be making more, and like I said, everything that you see here are originals. I cannot, and I don't have these beads. The only other beads that I have, certain ones, but I cannot remake these. These are all original. They are all one of a kind. Okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me for this video. I greatly appreciate your amazing support. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.